Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm going to walk you through how to get new Messenger update in Messenger app on your device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So first thing first, you need to make sure that Messenger app is downloaded on your device. For that, you just need to open the app Messenger, and to get the new update of the Messenger app, you just need to go to settings on your device, tap on the option settings sign in. To get the new update, you just need to go to your app store or play store. If you are an Android user, you can simply visit your play store and tap the search the related app and just update the app. So now I will go to my app store. After tapping on the app store, here you can see the option search at the very bottom right of it, and tap the related app, which is Messenger. And after searching the Messenger app, here you can see the option Messenger. Tap on the icon, and there you can see the option update, which is highlighted in color blue. Tap on the option update, and this is how within a very few seconds your Messenger app will be updated to the very new version with the very new features to explore. So that's how you can just update your Messenger app. Within a very few seconds your Messenger app is updated. So now your app is updated and you can just see the updated version of this app. So that's how you can do it. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.